The world thought DJI had already hit the ceiling of action camera innovation, but once again, they've proven that boundaries are meant to be broken. And now, with the whispers of the DJI Osmo Action 6 echoing across the tech world, excitement is reaching fever pitch. The leaks suggest something extraordinary. Not just another minor upgrade, but a complete redefinition of what an action camera can be. Imagine holding in your hand a device so compact yet so powerful that it feels almost unreal. A camera featuring a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor squeezed into a rugged, palm-sized body capable of capturing every detail, every glimmer of light, and every shadow of motion with unmatched clarity. According to multiple insiders, this new Osmo Action 6 might record in breathtaking 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60, 4K at a buttery smooth 120, and even 1080p at a stunning 240 frames per second for slow motion, so silky you could feel time stretch around you. Imagine leaping off a cliff soaring through mountain air, splashing into blue ocean waves and watching each second unfold in cinematic brilliance. That's the kind of visual storytelling DJI is rumored to be delivering. But that's just the beginning. Inside sources are talking about the all-new Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization system, a next-level evolution of DJI's already incredible stabilization tech, reportedly so precise and advanced that it makes your footage feel like it's gliding on air, as if the camera itself has become weightless. And when you pair that with AI-powered Horizon Steady, which automatically keeps your horizon perfectly level no matter how wild your flips, spins, or rolls get, you start realizing that DJI isn't just improving. They're obliterating limits. This isn't a casual upgrade. It's a declaration of war against GoPro, Insta360, and every other brand that's ever called itself an action camera leader. Design leaks show that DJI is sticking with the rugged rectangular body we all love, but this time it looks more refined, more durable, and more futuristic. Early prototype images show smoother edges, upgraded materials, dual bright touch displays, and a newly engineered internal cooling system designed to handle the massive heat output from that 1-inch sensor. That means no overheating warnings, no sudden shutdowns, no interruptions in the middle of your shot. Just raw, uninterrupted power. And speaking of ruggedness, rumors point to an insane waterproof rating of 20 meters without needing an external case, which means this beast could go deeper than both the Osmo Action 5 Pro and even the GoPro Hero 13. Whether you're diving into coral reefs, snowboarding down frozen peaks, or capturing fast-paced city life, the Action 6 looks built to thrive where others simply survive. But here's where DJI may truly revolutionize the game: smartwatch integration. Picture this: you're wearing your Apple Watch or Garmin. Your camera's mounted to your helmet or chest rig, and every movement, every heartbeat, every altitude change is being tracked in real time and overlaid directly onto your footage. You're not just recording an adventure anymore. You're capturing your performance, your stats, your pulse, turning every ride, run, or jump into an interactive cinematic experience. No other action camera on the market offers this level of data-driven storytelling, and if DJI nails it, this could be the feature that changes how athletes, travelers, and creators make content forever. Power-wise, leaks mention a robust 19950 mAh battery, giving you up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. Yes, 4 hours, which is a huge leap for compact cameras. That kind of endurance means you can film longer adventures without constantly swapping batteries or worrying about power banks. And when it's time to transfer your files, you've got next-gen connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.x for lightning-fast wireless transfers, low-latency remote control, and maybe even live streaming straight from the camera to YouTube or Twitch. There's also talk of 64GB internal storage along with a microSD expansion slot, giving you freedom and flexibility wherever you shoot. Now let's talk timing. Rumors are pointing toward an official reveal on October 24, 2025, right before the holiday season and just in time for adventure travel season in the US. Some insiders, though, think DJI might tease it a few days earlier with a cinematic trailer, maybe dropping hints through cryptic social posts or teaser clips, just like they did with the previous Osmo launches. However, others remain skeptical, suggesting that thermal optimization challenges could push the release to early 2026. Regardless of when it drops, one thing is certain: the hype is unstoppable. Across Reddit threads, photography forums, and YouTube tech circles, people are calling it the most anticipated action camera release of the decade. Compared to rivals, this rumored Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a monster. The 1-inch sensor alone could completely outclass the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro in image quality, color depth, and low-light performance. Larger pixels mean better light capture, more dynamic range, and richer shadows. In other words, shots that don't just look real, they feel alive. Add in potential 8K support, and suddenly we're talking about future-proof footage that can stand the test of time, looking stunning even years from now on next-gen screens. For creators, this means the ability to shoot travel documentaries, cinematic short films, or even FPV drone sequences with a camera small enough to fit in your pocket. It's filmmaking freedom in miniature form. Of course, not every leak is guaranteed. Analysts warn that some rumored specs might be overly optimistic. Imaging Resource and Techie blog, two sources with solid track records, say the 1-inch sensor and Rocksteady 4.0 are almost certain, but the 8K recording might not arrive until a future Pro variant. Some also mention that the new design could be slightly bulkier due to thermal adjustments, meaning we might trade a bit of portability for performance. But even then, it's clear DJI is aiming high, pushing boundaries that no other action camera brand dares to approach. Think about what that means for you. For every creator, athlete, or adventurer who's ever wanted to tell their story exactly as it felt. DJI isn't just giving you specs on a sheet. They're giving you a tool to relive your moments the way your eyes saw them, the way your heart felt them. They're designing for experience, not just numbers. Picture holding it in your hand, lightweight yet solid, with that cold, metallic feel of precision engineering. You press the power button and the dual screens light up, reflecting your face with crystal clarity. You hit record, and instantly the world sharpens, the horizon perfectly level, colors vibrant yet natural, your every movement smooth as if choreographed by gravity itself. That's the promise of DJI, to put cinematic storytelling in your pocket, to make filmmaking instinctive, effortless, and exhilarating. Pricing rumors suggest a base model between $329 and $429, which is surprisingly competitive considering the rumored specs, and an adventure combo priced around $579, including extra batteries, mounts, and a waterproof frame, an incredible deal for anyone serious about content creation. It's an aggressive move that signals DJI's intent to dominate not just the professional drone market, but the action camera space too. GoPro's long-standing dominance may finally face a worthy challenger, and even brands like Insta360 or Sony, known for innovation, might need to step up their game once this hits shelves. The competition is about to ignite, and honestly, that's great news for creators everywhere. Because when giants clash, innovation explodes. The DJI Osmo Action 6, if these leaks hold true, isn't just another product drop. It's a statement of creative freedom. From snow-covered mountain peaks to the depths of the ocean, from neon-lit city nights to the heart of a roaring desert, this camera promises to make every moment count. Every story cinematic, every adventure unforgettable. It's a reminder that the power to create isn't about having the biggest setup. It's about having the right tool, one that disappears in your hands and lets your vision take over. So, as we wait for DJI to finally reveal the truth behind these leaks, one question lingers in every creator's mind. Is this the moment action cameras evolve forever? Or are these rumors just too good to be true? Whatever the answer, one thing's for sure. When DJI finally steps onto the stage, the world will be watching, creators will be ready, and the Osmo Action 6 could mark the dawn of a whole new era in cinematic storytelling. So buckle up, stay tuned, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because when this